Hi there, today we're covering a very special vehicle. It's a 1980 Jeep J10 Honcho Sportside with a nice piece of history. This is a car that was won in a desert race by James Brolin back in the 80s. Apart from a fresh paint job, it's in its original condition. Really nice, fun car to drive with amazing history. AMC 401 under the hood with a 4-speed manual transmission. More info 832-475-1822, info at jeepheritage.com. This is one of 4 Honchos that we have in our collection. Take care.